Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I am a doctor, dietitian, and coach. I'm the owner of Imagine Wellness, and I work with people to improve, optimize their relationship with food, body weight, and eating. Today, I want to talk real simple. I want to talk about fiber. What is fiber and how is it important? Why is it important and why the heck I'm talking about it? Fiber is an indigestible part of plants. And you can either eat it naturally in foods, it's called dietary fiber, or you can find it in foods, which is added fiber. In dietary fiber, there's two types. There's a soluble and insoluble. It's basically describing how it works with water. Soluble, it holds onto water like a sponge. Insoluble kind of acts like bristles on a broom to kind of clear things out in your colon in a biophysical sense. So why are we talking about it? A lot of times in research, they'll talk about why fiber is so important. Fiber is linked to the reduction of risk in a lot of chronic diseases, including heart disease, including colon cancer, and there are tons of different ways that you can include fiber in your diet. Why is the big push with fiber with fruits and vegetables? Because it's so prevalent in fruits and vegetables. That's where you're gonna find most of your fiber. So if you're eating 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, you're most likely getting your daily's worth. Now, the population that I work with, sometimes that's what they tend to focus on is all fiber, and you feel really, really full all of the time. And the problem with that is it can lead to lack of nutrition in other areas, such as fats or proteins. It also can lead to lack of nutrition in carbohydrates because sometimes fibrous foods don't really contain much, like lettuce or celery. And so you want to be mindful that if you are trying to increase your fiber, you're not replacing it with necessary nutrients that you do need. So it gets a little bit tricky. If you have any sort of gut disorder, any sort of imbalance with any sort of probiotics or bacteria or bloating, you're gonna wanna be really careful with how much fiber you're having because that can alter digestion. And typically with any sort of gut disorder, IBS, Crohn's, anything like that, you are definitely suffering from some sort of indigestion. So fiber becomes a really tricky topic, and each body is different. So each body is going to tolerate fiber in different ways. Not everyone's going to tolerate oats the same way they tolerate an apple, the same way they tolerate a salad. If you have any sort of ostomy bag, fiber also becomes really tricky because it's indigestible and it can cause a lot of damage. So if there are medical concerns, some of this information that we're talking about does not apply to you because you simply can't have 25 to 28 grams of fiber a day. If you have any questions, you want to seek out a registered dietitian or someone that knows what they're talking about, especially when it comes to any sort of gut disorder, because it can cause a lot of pain and a lot of discomfort. Again, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and reach out if you have any medical nutrition therapy questions, but mostly if you're confused on how to apply the knowledge that I've given you, that's where I can step in as your doctor, dietitian, and coach. Thank you so much for subscribing and have a wonderful day. Bye.